Welcome to our channel Blooming Ideas. Today we are going to see how to do a candle without wax. Required items: glass, water, oil, color powder if needed, lamp thread, spoon. Take a glass, add water in it. If you want it even more colorful, add color powder to it. Mix it well. Gently pour oil in the ratio of 7:3. Water 7% and oil at 3%. Cut a small square piece from a plastic bottle. Pierce it. Dip the lamp thread into oil. Insert the lamp thread into the square piece. Gently place the lamp thread in the glass such that it is floating. Light it up. And now it's ready. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Don't forget to click the bell icon and get instant notifications. If you want further ideas, please leave comment below. Thanks for watching.